The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Good morning, fellas. Happy Monday, guys. Hope everyone had a great weekend. Congratulations to UConn women's basketball team, one another. Mets won last night. Should be a good Monday. Morning, Ed, Michael, guys, good morning. If you folks are here on trial, good morning. And for many of you, welcome back. I think we have a trial or two starting today. Guys, very, very good morning to you all. Markets are down again, although well off last night's gap low. NASDAQ's only down 440 at the moment. I think last night I saw 800 and change. I know the YM was down 14 or 1500. That's only down 800 at this point. In any event, let's start with the bad news. I'm not sure there's good news. Volume is silly. Volume is stupid silly. 292,000 contracts have traded. For those of you that are unaware, the average volume when we come in is 68,000 contracts. I mean, we are silly. I expect freezing, massive lag, etc. I would suggest you guys turn off anything that is non-essential. Yeah, we'll get it back. We'll get it back. We do have a positive delta. That probably speaks to the 400 points that the NASDAQ has gotten back, or all of the indices have gotten back. On a good note, I did run gold overnight on the new strategy. It took a trade on a 15-minute, sub 1740. It got two targets out of three. It comes back on. I think I've got it at 830. So we'll see what it does at 830. Guys, I expect today to be silly. All right? Just be prepared. It's going to be a wild ride. Although I thought that on Friday and it was fairly easy, but we'll see what we can come up with today. In any event, let's get on with it. That Ninja Renko is going to be impossible to trade, so I'll probably minimize that and bring the 3-minute back down. U.S. government required disclaimer: futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Do not trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown This presentation is for educational purposes only. The opinions expressed in this presentation are mine and mine alone. All trades presented should be considered hypothetical and should not be expected to be replicated in a live trading account. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. Please trade according to your own accounts. Please trade according to your tolerance for risk. All right. So it's up 550, first trade of the day.
Order filled.
And this target one filled on Greg short. This actually had two trades. The first short got targets as well, but it defaulted to SIM in the back office. So targets, let me shut this off for a second. So the ES bot, whatever the hell we're going to call this, trend candles, whatever the hell we name it, is 2 for 2, up $1,100. Okay. Do I ever have problems with my charts freezing on NinjaTrader? If I told you no, I'd be a complete liar. Ninja's known for it. Hell yeah, Ninja freezes. Irfan, 4. 4. 8, 12, and 16 tick targets. 2, 1, and 1. Yeah, it drives me nuts too. Drives everybody nuts.
Meanwhile, Ninja 7.
Ninja's definitely the king of frozen charts. Meanwhile, Ninja 7 doesn't freeze for Greg.
No. Well,
Guys, I'm sorry, Greg, I cut you off. Go ahead.
you're fine. It was stupid anyhow. Go ahead.
This is a fairly orderly, not what, natural gas is coming down. I like natural gas at 38.05, I think. If anybody wanted to take a spin on natural gas.
Order
I just
submitted.
don't like messing with the whole number, but I do think it's going to come down. Maybe first target at 78 to 80. Not moving very fast.
Order submitted.
I am pending copper, but that's not there yet. Come on, Eddie. Here comes natural gas. If anybody is still short, we're breaking 72.50. I think we're going up.
Order filled.
All right, I'm out of natural
Order
gas
canceled.
on that 3-minute bounce. And I'm going to move gold. It's just so slow. I'm watching this NASDAQ, guys, for longs. Should get along at the close of this bar. Nope. Next bar.
Watch what it does here at 68, 968.
Say again?
I'm watching what happens here at 968. I might get a long.
This will kill the trade in 45 seconds if it's over 750. That's the daily goal. Oh, by the way, that's a PA account. What? No, he didn't. Come on, don't do that. Get that second target. Let's go, NASDAQ. Come on, second target.
I am in crude. It's a lot of risk. You aware?
Nope.
I'm not even looking at it. Catch NASDAQ.
Second target hit here, guys. This is going to kill the trade in 18 seconds on the yellow chart.
Some resistance here at this 76 area. Oh, right through it. Good to go.
6 seconds. This is going to kill the trade, guys.
Order submitted.
Done for the day. All right, so let me explain this. This is on an Apex account. Let me shut it off. That just passed a $50,000 eval, one trade. All right, that just passed an eval. What? No, it did not. Indeed, it did. This is a PA account. First day, this is the one that I did second. So what I've got this set at here, okay, it's a one contract trade with a 200 tick stop. So it's $1,000, which would also fall out of the 30% guidelines. I don't really care. Okay. The first target set at 6 times ATR. I don't anticipate the first target ever getting hit because the way I've got it set for a 750 daily draw. I'm sorry, daily goal. But the way that this is programmed, it will kill it at unrealized gain at the close of the candle. So if it's at 750, in this case 1785, that's where it shut the trade off. So it won't take another trade. It's over the daily goal, right? Profit target 750. Now the only problem I'm going to have here at 1112.50, and I'm done here at 3505 and a past evaluation. Boo freaking yeah. Boo freaking yeah. What more do you need? Any questions? There's target one on gold.
A break of 18,826 on NQ, long ways away. Could see some significant buying coming in.
I mean, I have a downside target at 332. 332. But you got to be willing to hold it for what could be a 100 handle swing up or down on the NASDAQ. ES is, I don't have my range indicator on, but I got to believe ES is cooking over 100 ticks. This is coming down to 332. There's no way I'm taking this trade. But I think there's 100 handles in the NASDAQ. Here it comes, 332.50. Anybody have the guts to put that trade on? It's almost there. Oh, it just missed. It got 337. Yeah. No, NASDAQ 332. NASDAQ 332. There's the 332. Yeah, I mean, listen, I can tell you where I think this is coming. Next is 295, and you guys know I'm pretty damn good with targets. But this volatility is so insane that this could bounce 100 handles up before it comes back down. I'd rather trade stuff we generally, don't trade. And I can't believe the lag I have on the YM 709. Yeah, YM is at 800, give or take. In my Ninja Trader, yeah, all right, now it looks like I'm caught up. 780. Yeah, I may be caught up now. I had a 100 tick lag on YM. We're back at yesterday's close, yesterday's low. For the video. See you tomorrow, Krishid. All right, guys. On the new trend candles, 1785, one contract trade on a PA account. A 3-contract trade resulted in passing an evaluation, one trade. A separate evaluation on the ES, up 2187.50, and YM on a SIM account, up 2360. And gold, I flipped it to a 3-minute, and it caught a number of trades here, up 520. So for the day, I'll give you an aggregate total, 520 plus 1785 plus 2187.50 plus 2360 plus 3505. 10,357.50 as an aggregate total across all these instruments. Pretty impressive, no? That's it. Couldn't get any more. Be nice if we had two-way trade, but we're not getting two-way trade here. Let's see.